Okay, hello, greetings, and welcome, everyone. All right, so this next question came through in relation to, as an aspect of strength training, about the switching of the muscle to the fascia. Could you give more detail on that? Okay, so if you pick up a bar and you've got a load on your body, and your muscles contract, you can feel that tension in the muscle. Now, if you keep the bar relatively light and lift the weight of the bar up through a stretch, and take the weight off the muscle, relax the muscle, and then put the weight of the bar back onto a stretch rather than a muscle contraction. So it's sort of like you're popping the weight up and down, and each time you pop it, you relax the muscle and let the weight stretch you out. So let's say it's a bar and you're holding it in front of you like you're about to do a bicep curl. And each time you pop the bar up, you relax and release and let the weight fall onto a stretch, not a muscle contraction. And what you'll find is each time you produce this relaxation release in the muscle and you put the weight into the stretch, you'll find the stretch increasing. So you'll have more elastic connections forming when you have less muscle contraction. So let's say you do this 10 times where you're just tuning in to let the weight stretch your body out, especially your arms, shoulders, and upper back. And then when you do the bicep curl, you let that stretch go all the way down to your toes, and then you raise your stance and release energy out of the stretch to lift up the bar. So this will activate the elasticity of your body and take energy out of the stretch and less energy out of the muscle contraction. So it's a transition. So each time we do this, we want to sort of pop the bar up and down and feel it loading the stretch, and then you unload the energy out of the stretch by moving through the motion. What you want to look at is just relaxing your mental space outwards while you do it. If your mental space contracts to tension, you pay more attention to tension, the muscle will start to contract. If you let your mental space open and relax, then the fascia will be more active. Okay, I hope this answers your question, and have a play with it, and then we can do some follow-up on that exercise, applying some vital breathing and astral breathing to take it a bit further. Okay, thanks for your time. See you on the next video.